Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to edit or change your autofill information on your iPhone step by step. First of all, let's start with the Contacts app. So go ahead and open the Contacts app on your iPhone. Now at the very top, you will see a section called My Card. This is basically your personal contact information that your iPhone uses for autofill. Now tap on My Card and here you will see all your personal details. To make any changes, just tap on the edit button at the top right corner and then you can update or add any information you want, and once you're done, simply tap on Done to save your changes. Now, whenever you use autofill on Safari or other apps, your updated information will automatically show up. You can also go a step further and check your Safari autofill settings. Just open the Settings app, then tap on the Search tab and search for Safari. Here, scroll down a little and tap on Autofill. After that, you can turn on or off things like use contact information and even manage your saved credit cards. So, if you want to change what Safari remembers when you fill out forms, this is where you do it. And that's basically it. You can now easily edit your autofill information on your iPhone anytime you need it. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.